Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're checking out this outdoor cat house that was sent to us by the manufacturer for free for us to check out. Now, this thing is super sturdy. It was really easy to put together. All of your holes are pre-drilled, so you're pretty much just inserting the bolts and tightening them down. The bottom here does pop in and out. It is really loose, fits in and out of there. So whenever you need to clean this or anything like that, you can just pull it out, take care of it. Has these nice little flaps on here to ensure that, you know, your pet doesn't get rained on or anything like that. And then you can also remove those with a couple of screws as well. There's one here, and then there is one on the other side. The top here opens and closes nice and secure. Takes a little bit to open it, a little bit to close it, because these are like really nice hydraulic arms on here. So you don't have to worry about your pets or outdoor pets, whatever, popping this open, because yeah, it definitely keeps it nice and secure. Overall, really nice. Company, like I said, did send this to us. However, it worked out perfectly because we do have 2 stray cats that have been hanging out here, and they absolutely love it. Tried to get some footage of them inside of it. Wasn't able to do that because as soon as we come out, they come out, hang out with us and everything. One's actually right behind the camera right now, and then the other one, she was just over there to the left earlier. But yeah, overall, we really like it. Like I said, really sturdy and everything. So go ahead and check this one out.